Today I'm going to build this rustic English style bench for a customer of mine. Right now on this episode of Woodchopping Time. Hello fellow woodchopperoos, Chad here. So today's project came to me from a photo off of Pinterest. The customer saw this and really liked it, and they wanted it to be adapted to their dining room table. But I had to make a few changes. I had to make the seat a little bit taller. I had to make the back a little bit shorter, and the overall length had to be cut down as well to accommodate their dining room table. Now, working with only the photo, I came up with this. Now, there's a couple of things of interest on this, particularly the legs, and I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. But up until then, you know what I'm going to say? Cue that dance music. And so there you are, that's the build of my rustic English style bench. Now as you can see, it still has to be stained and finished. The reason I didn't do it yet is because I have to match the stain to the color of their dining room table. Now that's giving me a little bit of a challenge, so I called the folks over there at Crystal-Lac, I sent them some photos, and they're going to be sending me a stain that should match that. So if you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, look for the final photo of that bench there. Now you heard me mention at the beginning of the video that the legs were a particular challenge for me on it, and I really didn't go into any depth there in the video, but I will. The legs on this I wanted to be very sturdy because I knew kids were going to be sitting on it. So I wanted to make sure it had the proper splay, rake, and then that has to do with the resultant angle and also the sightline angle. What does all that mean? Well, I'm going to break it all down for you in a very detailed video explaining it and showing you how to do it with geometry and actually doing the precision drilling of the holes. So look for that in a future video coming up. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the sponsors that make this show possible. And of course, as always, keep on dancing.